I cannot type because I am on the treadmill. Kelechi, can you bring me one sauerkraut from the fridge? So the name is sauerkraut. It's not the way it sounds. It's more like Sauerkraut. I'm not even sure if I got it, but if you the one in the fridge, the one in the fridge, the one in the fridge. Did you get the spelling? I don't know. The person is
Yes.
on the other side. Okay. So if you look at it, you will
Yes.
see that it is something that provides us with probiotics. It's done basically for probiotics. And what are probiotics? Probiotics are simply the microorganisms that are naturally present in your stomach. Thank you. This is it. So this is it. You can see.
Yeah.
So probiotics are microorganisms that nature has put in our bodies. But a lot of times we undergo a whole lot of activities, even emotions. Sometimes when we are very angry, our body produces chemicals that tend to kill these microorganisms. And then a whole lot of times we use antibiotics. And by the time we use antibiotics will just go and wipe off our microbiome. So that population of microorganisms is what we call microbiome. So sometimes we just eat things, sometimes we do things, sometimes our feelings, sometimes our environment will just result to a total wipeout. And knowing what they do to our body, when this happens, it destabilizes a whole lot. When this happens, it destabilizes a whole lot because this population of microorganisms are responsible for producing the chemicals that keep us going. They are responsible for synthesizing things like B vitamins. They are responsible for synthesizing things like vitamin K. They are responsible for things like neurotransmitters. We also know that 80% of our immunity miracle. We also know that 80% of our immunity is in our guts. So by the time these things are wiped off, we are prone to infections. Bye, lovely. Bye, Kitty. You're so beautiful.
Say bye.
Bye. Sarah, thank you. Thanks, Sarah. So 80% of our immunity is controlled in our stomach. And by the virtue of our actions, our activities, our environment, most of the microorganisms are already dead. So by doing this, you are fermenting you are like growing the amount of microorganisms that is already in the cabbage.